What is up, guys? So I have here the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm so excited to open this up and try it. I'm going to be doing like an unboxing and first impressions of this phone, and my review will be coming out later down the road, so definitely stay around for that. So let's get into the unboxing. Here we're just going to have our little SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and the power cable, but that's all we're going to get in this little package. Okay, so this device looks awesome. Like, a lot of people are saying it looks exactly like the previous S23, S24 Ultras. That's not true. It does look different, especially feels a lot different compared to those other models. I'm going to do a comparison between this and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, so you can see those like side by side, so definitely stay around for that. I'm usually not a huge fan of like black phones, but this one I really like. It almost has like a bluish tint to it, which I'm a huge fan of. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm like crazy excited, and I don't really want to turn it on, but I want to. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, put all my information in it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have used this phone for around 8 hours now, and if one word could sum up my entire experience with this phone so far, it would be wow. Because this phone is insane, and I haven't even like completely like tested everything like about this phone, and I am using an iPhone 16 that's literally with 16 Pro is what I switched from to this phone. Now I will tell you guys, just to be completely transparent, I did use the Z Flip 6 like 2 days before I did switch to this phone, just so you know. I didn't switch directly from it, but I was using the iPhone ever since it was released, just to clarify that. But this phone is beyond nice. Like, I'm actually astonished of how awesome this phone is. Like, it's just so good. Now, one of the things that everyone is hating on and talking about is this design. It's the exact same as the S24 Ultra. There's nothing different. I just want to say that it feels so much different than the S24 Ultra. I never had the S24 Ultra, but I have used it. Some people that I know have one. I've used it to like for the cameras and stuff when I was in Costa Rica and I was doing some filming, stuff like that. So I definitely have used it, and this feels so much better, and it just feels a lot faster than the S24 Ultra, so there's definitely really nothing you can say when it comes to design. It just doesn't feel anything like the Galaxy S24 Ultra does. Even if you compare it to a Galaxy S23 Ultra from a few years ago, it just looks so much better. It's titanium instead of aluminium. It's Gorilla Glass armor for like the glass instead of just like the regular Corning Gorilla Glass that they were using on the S23 Ultra. So it's a lot more durable when compared to the S23 Ultra, but I do agree there aren't a whole lot of differences. But it's the small things that they did change that makes it so much better than the S24 Ultra. Okay, now let's actually talk about my experience with this device. So, like I said, it's been awesome. The cameras are good. They're not like revolutionary. The biggest thing that I don't like about it, the lights are going to look super bright through the camera, looking through the camera on the screen, but they do look great in person. So let me go ahead and take a picture of that. That's what you're looking at. It does look really good in person, but like it's just the camera preview that I don't like. It just looks grainy. It looks kind of washed out. So it's mainly the camera app that just needs some help, but it is a really great experience. The lenses are still a little bit like kind of laggy when you switch between them. It's not exactly like seamless. As you can see, it's not exactly like seamless like zoom, but it's still pretty good. Definitely a lot better than the S23 or S24 Ultra. So yeah, when it comes to cameras, it's been really great. I'll have like a more in-depth like review coming out later, but it's been great. Okay, also this like recap night AI stuff, like it happens at like different points of your day. It's kind of cool. It's kind of useful. It's like nothing crazy cool. It's nothing crazy exciting, but it is nice. You can do like different like mood check-in, stuff like that. So it will kind of over time get like better, but as of right now, it's a cool feature, but it's not anything game-changing. So probably one of the biggest things I've noticed, which this feature also will be coming to older Galaxy devices, and I will definitely cover that when it does, but that is the software. So One UI 7 has been a huge improvement. As you can see, The apps are so smooth, opening and closing. It's just so much better. And just overall, the animations are better. I like how the quick settings are now separated from the notification bar, kind of like iOS, but it's nice. And I think every like phone company should do this because it's just so much better. And honestly, I think like all the little things that they've done to this, like the like little like animations for like the volume, I think it's great. I really like it. And it just seems like everything has been thought out, which is really important for a phone, and it should have happened a while ago, but it's definitely nice that it finally arrived. So other than that, I haven't really like tested too much with this phone, but I will do a lot more testing. The video will probably be out around Sunday, so definitely stick around if you want to see that. So overall, within the first like 8 hours of using this phone, it's been a great experience. I really like it. I love the design, how it feels. The screen is amazing. Like I said, I'll get into more like the deep stuff, like what's actually new with this phone, the new processor, camera, stuff like that. But overall, in the initial like first few hours, it's been a great experience. And like I said, I'll have some more videos coming out later this week. But as of right now, I can definitely recommend this device, but definitely stay around for my review coming out later. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, it would mean a lot to me if you consider subscribing to this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.